Hi, this is Aaron Moore with GTA House Buyers. We just bought a house in Ajax, so I thought we'd do another video walkthrough just to show everyone examples of houses we buy. So come on in, let's take a walk.
We buy many types of houses. This one is in okay condition. It's only 15 years old, but it could use some updates and repairs. The seller told us, I want to sell my house fast. So we bought the house fast and made the sale quick, quiet, and easy. The house does need some repairs. Needs new roof shingles. There was no AC, so we'll put in an AC. Things are in okay condition. It's builder grade for the most part, but it's generally been maintained well. The backyard, right now it's fairly weedy and the grass is long. There's a fence panel that's fallen down. Here on the ceiling you'll see where there was old water damage from a leak in the bathroom upstairs. As we go up the stairs, you'll see a lot of scuffs and marks on the wall. So we'll give the house a fresh coat of paint. See more scuffs on the wall in the master bedroom. So once again, the whole house gets a fresh coat of paint. Bathrooms are in pretty good condition. Nothing too fancy, but they're nice, maintained, clean. Another bathroom, fine condition. Fair number of stains in the carpet throughout, so we will replace the flooring, probably go with a laminate or hardwood, something a little more durable than carpet. Both tenants and home buyers prefer laminate or hardwood. See more of those scuffs on the stairwell paint. Go in the basement here. Now the hot water tank is broken. There's no hot water in the house right now. The tank needs to get replaced ASAP. It's just an unfinished basement. Great place for storage, laundry, letting the kids play hockey. But that's the house. If you want to sell your house fast, then please contact us at GTA House Buyers with any questions. We buy houses fast anywhere in the Greater Toronto Area. We'd be happy to give you information to help you sell your house fast. Thank you for watching.